Out of more than 80,000 chemicals in use today, few have been tested for human safety. Many household cleaning products are filled with harmful chemicals. But there is a healthier and less expensive way to keep your home clean. At Norwex, we're creating millions of safe havens and homes around the world. Our mission is to improve quality of life, and this mission makes Norwex unique. So, we're working to create safe havens by radically reducing chemicals in our homes. We do this by offering a revolutionary way to clean, without harmful chemicals. The Norwex solution is to clean using only water and Norwex microfiber, no chemicals required. And Norwex microfiber has the ability to remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when following the proper use and care instructions. Our microfiber is made from tiny fibers woven together to pick up even the smallest particles and then trap them in the microscopic spaces between fibers. Norwex takes this technology to perfection, with microfiber 1/200th the size of a human hair. Norwex microfiber is woven so densely that the fiber from one EnviroCloth could stretch all the way from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. Each one contains more than 10 million feet or 3 million meters of fiber. The combination of ultra-fine fibers and the density of the cloth makes Norwex microfiber unique, able to hold up to 7 times its weight in liquid and brine. Equally important, many Norwex microfiber products contain Backlock, an antibacterial agent for self-cleansing purposes only. The agent is solely designed to inhibit bacterial odor, mold, and/or mildew growth within the cloth. Used dry, Norwex microfiber produces a static charge that attracts and holds dust particles in the cloth instead of just pushing them around. The spotless surface is free of wax or oils and will stay cleaner longer. Used wet, Norwex microfiber lifts particles up into the cloth, reaching into the pores of the surface to leave it truly spotless. No chemicals needed, just water and the power of microfiber. Norwex microfiber can be used on any household surface to remove grease and the finest dust with ease. It also has the ability to remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when following the proper care and use instructions. And caring for your Norwex microfiber is easy. Just rinse the used cloth or mop pad and hang to dry, then launder as needed. The average household spends around $600 a year on household cleaning supplies. With Norwex, there's no need to spend money on household chemicals. And there's no need to spend time re-cleaning surfaces when chemical residue attracts more dust and grime. But cleaning without harmful chemicals means more than just saving time and money. When you skip the harmful chemicals, you are creating a safe haven with the health of your family in mind. And that's what we do best at Norwex. With Norwex microfiber and water only, there's no chemical waste from toxic cleaners to eventually run off into the environment. There are no paper towels or sponges to end up in a landfill. So, in addition to improving your family's quality of life, you're also improving the health of our planet. Contact a Norwex consultant today to help turn your home into a safe haven and improve your quality of life. At Norwex, we believe in making small, conscious choices to create millions of safe havens and homes around the globe, which ultimately can change the world.